Mini lesson, Persuasive Research Topic Search. Now that you have an idea of what you need to do for your persuasive research essay, you need to decide on a topic. So, finding your topic, you should choose something that really interests you. Maybe it's something you've always wanted to know more about. Maybe it's something you already know quite a bit about, so it'll be easy to write about, or something you have a passion for. For example, I'm going to go off of passion. So if I were to choose a persuasive research topic about a passion of mine, one of mine would be about organ donation. So my father had terrible heart disease for many, many years, and 2 years ago he was a recipient of a heart transplant. So I would be very passionate about writing and researching about the positive effects of organ donation or something to that degree. So I take the topic organ donation and I choose a side. So I'm for or against it. So I'm for it. And I just make it persuasive. And then I prove to my audience why organ donation is amazing. That's just an example. So I have a list below of previous topics that have been done. Now some of them you might look at them and say, how is that persuasive? It's just all in how you spin it. And I'll give you some examples in a minute. I also have this link that is very helpful for persuasive essay topics. Oops, wrong one. So you can look at this, and I like this because it's divided by subtopics. You see social justice issues, some stuff about parents and children, global issues, food. That would be good for some of you sophomore boys that eat 20 lunches in my room every day. Politics. Okay, so you could look at there if you don't have an idea. Or, like I said, down below on here, I have other ones, which I'll go over in just a minute. Also, you should conduct a quick search for sources once you've come up with some ideas of what you want your topic to be. Now, the reason you want to do this, I'll call this preliminary research. So you want to do preliminary research to make sure you are going to have enough reliable and credible sources for your topic. Okay? So let's talk about some forbidden topics. So this is a list. They're either not persuasive in nature, they've been overdone, or simply I just don't allow you to do them. Biographies, nope, that's just historical. Most historical topics you can't do. They're facts. This is what's happened. Anything about UFOs, lost cities, nope. Parapsychology, it's just not too concrete enough. Any conspiracy theories, out of the question. Lowering the drinking age, can't do. Gambling, animal experimentation. I am open to that one a little bit if we narrow it down in certain ways. Holocaust denials, nope, not going to happen. It actually happened and you're not going to prove that it didn't. Serial killers, again, super dark. We don't want to go there, and there's nothing really to persuade about that. Rape, for obvious reasons. And then my last disclaimer is any topic that I deem non-researchable, inappropriate, unrealistic, or plain boring to read about. So I've taught persuasive research essays for a very long time, over 15 years, and I have a really good idea of what topics are good to research about and some that are not so good. So what I need you to do is come up with 3 possible topics. They do not have to be from this list. You can go look at that website. You can do any kind of search, or maybe you just have one in your head already. You need to have 3 possible topics by Thursday for your next step. And I'm saying 3 because maybe you come up with 3 and 2 I look at and I say, ooh, like those aren't the strongest, but this one is. So I want you to have 3 possible ones, and we're going to try not to have duplicates within our class, so everyone needs to have a different topic. Okay, so looking at this list, so the first one up here is acupuncture, is Chinese medicine. So you spin that to be persuasive by saying something like, what are the benefits of acupuncture? Assisted suicide is very controversial, so you could be for or against it. Child labor is super interesting. School violence is huge. The negative effects of stock market on the economy, that's super current right now. Positive or negative nuclear radiation. Pros or cons of human genetic research. There's so many different things, and this is just a small snippet of what you can do. I just wanted to give you some ideas of what some other people have done. And most of these are general, they're not one-sided because you could choose either side. So you have to choose a side to prove. Okay? Happy preliminary research and topic searching. You need to find 3 possible topics.